Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be reviewing the Toshiba Virtual Cooking Assistant. Alright, now we've got everything out of the box, and on the table here we can see our oven, 20.5 inches by 20 inches by 12.8. The inside cooking capacity is 1 cubic foot. It weighs around 40 pounds. This model is black. You've got a vent in the back, and you've got one vent on the side, a glass turntable and the turntable ring, a bake rack, a bake tray, of course the instructions for the unit, a nice cookbook, and a tips for usage card comes along with that. It has got a beautiful large 3/4 inch display, multifunctional control panel with a dial, pre-programmed menu settings, and microwave safe utensil listings and service numbers are on the inside of the door, as we see here. Well, let's get a look at our features that this multifunctional microwave has. It has a 5-in-1 multifunctional display. Got an air fry setting, broil setting, bake setting, microwave convection oven, crispy grill setting, low temp cooking, eco mode, and odor removal setting, which is you can vent out all the smells, of course, after you've cleaned out your microwave, and that will remove some of the odors that remain in the microwave, so it's not going into the next thing you cook. Some of the convenience features that we've got on this are also one-touch popcorn setting, a speedy cooking setting, multi-stage cooking. You got a clock and a kitchen timer. Got a mute function. This is nice for when you live in a small apartment or something and you've got little kids sleeping. That annoying beep, beep, beep when things are finished cooking won't wake your kids up when you're trying to have a nice quiet cup of coffee. Now this is a Toshiba product, so it is supported by cutting-edge manufacturing and craftsmanship. It's got a beautiful appearance. It's classic black stainless steel finish with easy to clean stainless steel interior. As we said before, this has got a bright LED display, 3/4 inch high, easy to turn knob, and a touch control panel. And like we said, this does have a 1 cubic foot capacity in the cooking cavity. You can fit a whole roasted chicken in there, a 12-inch pizza, or an 8.4-inch casserole. It is one oven with multi-functions. You got a microwave, you got a healthy air fryer for the crispy food you like without all the fat. You got a convection oven, a grill, a combi oven, and so much more. You can use this one multifunctional appliance to cook foods like pizza, popcorn, wings, banana bread, and even a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the microwave baking option on our pizza here. I've got a little party pizza. I'm going to tray it up and we're going to put it right into the oven, but first, there are 2 ways to do this. You can hit the bake button, turn it to whatever the package directions are. In this case, it's 425. Hit the timer plus 30-second button there, and it will start preheating your oven. You can see the fan going right there, the icon right above it for the fan. So your oven is preheating. Now I'm going to cancel that and show you the other way. Well, the other way is to hit the auto menu. You're going to see A01 come up in the booklet or in the oven part right up here. Remember, we showed you that earlier. You will want to go to A7, which is the setting for the pizza, and you just go ahead and hit the button. You can see the fan on, the oven, and that means it's auto ready to go. So all we have to do, it's already hot, so we're going to put that pizza right on in. Alright, beep, beep, beep. It is ready to go. There is the pizza. Let me get a shot of that. Get a little closer. It is done. It smells fantastic. I'm going to take it out. It is hot, so we have to use the hot pads. Not like a microwave, but that is perfectly done at the time and the settings that we had for it. So I'm going to back out of here and we're going to pick the pizza up. And we will slide that pizza right on the cutting board there. Now again, you can see it's cooked. Cheese is melted. Little oil on the top from the cooking. I would recommend using a pizza plate for this instead of a dish plate like I just used. The crust is not quite crispy enough on the bottom. It's still a little bit doughy, or soft. I shouldn't say doughy, just soft. It's not crisp on the bottom because I did not have a pizza stone to put into our oven there. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it now. Now you can see that piece of pizza, perfectly cooked. Smells fantastic. Cheese is melted, toppings are done. That is a demonstration of what you can do with just one thing with this fantastic Toshiba appliance. All the product links and the Toshiba social media links are down below in the description box. There's a 15% discount going on between July 11th and July 17th. All right, that's our review of the Toshiba Versatile Cooking Assistant. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to check out the description box for this great deal. Take care. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.